If your Rogers or Xfinity modem is blinking orange, it usually means it's trying to connect to the internet but can't fully establish a connection. This often indicates an activation or provisioning problem. Activation is when your modem registers with your internet service provider, and provisioning is when the ISP configures your modem with necessary settings like IP addresses and bandwidth limits. A blinking orange light suggests one of these processes has failed. On Xfinity modems, a solid orange light after activation also means no internet. The internet LED blinking orange on Rogers modems, like Hitron models, indicates a lack of downstream signal or activation issues. Remember, Rogers and Xfinity are separate providers, so while the symptom is similar, specific troubleshooting steps might vary. This problem can stem from various issues, including temporary outages, incorrect setup, or back-end glitches at your ISP. First, power cycle your modem by unplugging it for 60 seconds and then plugging it back in. This often resolves temporary glitches. Next, check all cable connections to ensure they are secure and undamaged. Loose or frayed coaxial cables can cause signal issues. Use the Xfinity or Rogers app or website to verify your modem is activated. If not, enter your modem's serial number and account details to complete activation. If the problem persists, contact your ISP's support for remote provisioning assistance. Xfinity offers 24/7 chat support, while Rogers has a self-diagnostic tool in their app. As a last resort, check for firmware updates or consider hardware replacement, especially if your modem is under warranty. Ensure signal-to-noise ratios and power levels are within ISP-specified ranges, like -7 to +7 dBmV for Xfinity.